We are now in sunny Wales and the sun is shining. It is stunning here. The van's just over there. Our favourite place in the whole of North Wales, which is that little cove over there. And it has a small pub and a few little houses dotted around. You can't actually drive to it, so you have to park in the National Trust car park, which is free if you're a National Trust member. And it's about a 20-minute walk from the car park, and then there's a walk that runs all the way along the edge, and there's a lifeboat station on the end just there. So yeah, we're gonna change our shoes and take a walk. This is the car park, so there's a lot of space. Today is, I think, the 26th of September, and it's about 10 degrees, so it's very cold for September, but that hasn't put us off. We're here and the sun's shining, which makes a change, and we're going to go explore Porth Lago.
Once you've parked, walk up the hill towards the golf course, then walk through the golf course and follow the gravel track until you reach Porth Lago. I'd recommend sticking to the gravel track the whole way to avoid getting hit by all those flying golf balls. Once you make it to the beach, you'll be shouted from the wind, and you'll also be greeted by this amazing pub that has its very own beach bar. Once you've had some locally brewed beer from the beach bar, walk between the old fishermen's cottages and follow the narrow path that runs along the cove.
In true Wales style, the heavens have opened and it is now raining. We are taking refuge under the Vanlife building whilst the shower passes. If the gold is at the end of the rainbow, the gold is right there. Let's go. We have woken up in the most incredible campsite we've ever been to. So it's called Porth Lago on the Llyn Peninsula in North Wales. I probably not said that right, but Llyn, I don't know. But it has its own private beach with turquoise waters. It's absolutely stunning. And then just up the dunes there is the campvans and tents, and then just behind that are the caravans, and there's toilets, showers, washing facilities, and they also have a waste disposal point, which is pretty handy. We haven't actually been down to the beach yet, but we will. So we arrived at 6 p.m. last night. It was £22 plus £2.50 for the dog. And from when you arrive, you have 24 hours because you pay on like a parking machine. They also have a little snack shack, so you can get burgers, hot dogs, pizzas, hot drinks. So yeah, it's pretty incredible. Thought I'd show you the facilities. So these are the showers. You put your pound in there and it lasts for about 4 minutes, which isn't too bad. And then there's 2 toilets, and it's the same on the other side. So there's 4 toilets and 2 showers. Let's try and turn this tap off actually. wasting water. There we go. Come on, buddy, out the toilet. And the cows are right there.
While walking with the waste disposal unit? Yes or no?
No, B.
No. And after you've done it, you always wash your hands, yes?
Yeah, that's disgusting, that.
And will you personally be doing this ever? Will I ever see you carrying this?
You will never see me doing the toilet. The road to the campsite is about a mile long, and we drove in last night and we ended up at the farmhouse and we were really confused because it did not look like a campsite. And then the farmhouse is where you pay at the pay and display machine, and then you drive down the track and it brings you into this field just here. So the difference between Devon, which is where we're from, and North Wales, which is where we are now, is the beaches are so much quieter. So this is a Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining and there's probably 50 people on the beach. We now have a 20-minute walk back over the cliffs to the campsite.
Ah. Okay, you can all have some. I think basically before you switch it off, and then it's just
After 2 days in Porth Lago, we hit the roads, and this time we're on our way to do something absolutely terrifying.
Come on, guys!